Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam. So anyone who is accepting this material body is very important. That's like the other day, some rascals came. They were very much eager for feeding this body, those who are starvation, the starvation of the bodily concept of life. But there is spiritual starvation. That we are not taking care. Material starvation may be there, but actually that is not a problem. Because there is sufficient arrangement for maintaining this material body. Real starvation is of the soul. The soul is not getting spiritual food. Here, in this meeting, this is meant for giving to the starving spirit soul. And as soon as we get some spiritual food, then we become happy. That is the situation. Jayatma samprasidati. Unless you get spiritual food, there cannot be satisfaction of the real soul. The same example. Within the cage, there is the bird. If you simply wash the cage very nicely, and cover it, and paint it, and the bird within the cage is crying, starving, what is this civilization? Similarly, we spirit soul, we have been encased within this body. So our natural aspiration is to get freedom from this encasement, as much as the bird is struggling to get freedom from the cage. Similarly, we are not happy being encaged. Yesterday we learned from Bhagavad-gita, soul's position is sarvagataha. Soul can go anywhere. That is, it has got the freedom. Those who are spiritually advanced by yogic mystic power, they can also move anywhere he likes. Anima laghima siddhi. There are still yogis in India who early in the morning takes bath in 4 dhama, Haridwar, Jagannath Puri, Rameswaram and Dwarka. There are still yogis. Within 1 hour, they will take bath in 4 places. Sarvagata, the speed. They will sit down in one place and by yogic process, within few minutes, will get up. Dip in here in this water. Suppose in London you take your dip in the Thames river, and when you get up, you see in Calcutta Ganges. There is yogic process like that. Sarvagata. So, the spirit soul has got so much freedom. Sarvagata. Anywhere he likes he can go. But this impediment is this body, which is checking our freedom. So, if you get rid of this material body and be situated in spiritual body, just like Narad Muni, he can move anywhere. He's moving. His business is moving. Sometimes he is going to Vaikuntha Loka, sometimes he is coming to this material Loka. He has got spiritual body. He is free to move anywhere. Spaceman. They are trying to travel in the space by machine. There is no necessity of machine. Jantrarurani Maya, the machine is made of Maya. But you have got your own power. That is very speedy. It is being checked. Therefore one should be very much careful how to get the soul out of this engagement of this material body. That should be our first concern. But those who are simply concerned with this body, they are no better than the animals, cows and asses. Saeva gokara.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna,